how to find recipe from food photos using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you saw any photo of food and you want to know recipe of that food, how you guys can find that. So for that we need to use Google Lens app. If you don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. So let's click on Lens app. Once you click on Lens app, here you guys can see screenshot open camera in my phone. It will sync screenshot in your phone. It will be different folded. So if you have food in the real life, you simply click on open camera and capture the pic of that food item. And if you have pic like I have that pic, so simply click on that and select it. Once you select it, Google Lens will automatically detect it. Now here the question is, it give me all the needed info, but for the recipe on simply click here like ask about this image and I will write recipe. Once I write recipe, it will give me result like here we go. It give me all result and other things. So there's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.